Hey everybody, Mike Palmer, Foxfire Realty, at a 4-bedroom house, 2-story, Fruitland Park, Florida. The address is 300 Railroad Street. Nice house, hardwood floors, stainless appliances, granite countertops. It's nice. Got a front porch right here. Good size, quiet neighborhood. Take you on the inside. Living room. My squeaky shoes. All hardwood floors, been refinished. Master bedroom. Barn door for the closet, it slides. Master bathroom. Dining room. Butcher block island. All stainless appliances. New cabinets, granite countertops. Back door here, the big parking area. Inside laundry room. Got another door to go to the outside in the front. Stairwell. This is the upstairs. Got a living room. 3 bedrooms upstairs. The master is downstairs. That door goes to an outside porch. Upstairs bathroom. Another bedroom upstairs. Back porch. This one's closed in. These windows do open. Nice view. Nice yard. Front porch on the upstairs. It's a good area. Quiet neighborhood. If you'd like to see more or schedule a private showing, contact me, Mike Palmer, Foxfire Realty. Thanks.